Can one AI really read a novel, understand images, write code, analyze video, and still run on your phone? Well, that's exactly what Google Gemini promises to do. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about AI, this tool is redefining what's possible with artificial intelligence. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you. Hi, I'm Sarah from NextAIVault, and in this video, I'll walk you through an AI assistant that's changing the game. Let's dive into Google Gemini, what it is, what makes it special, and how it might just become your new favorite AI tool. So what exactly is Google Gemini? Gemini is Google's next-generation multimodal AI model, and that multimodal part is important. It means Gemini doesn't just understand text like traditional chatbots. It can also work with images, audio, video, and even code, all within a single conversation. It's built from the ground up by Google DeepMind and Google Research, and it powers everything from Android features to Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Gemini comes in 3 versions. Ultra, the most powerful for complex tasks. Pro, the most versatile, great for developers and general users. Nano, designed to run efficiently on your phone. Whether you're building advanced AI apps or just writing emails, there's a version of Gemini made for you. All right, let's talk features, because this is where Gemini gets really interesting. Native multimodality. Most AI tools are stitched together from separate models, one for text, another for vision, another for audio. But Gemini was trained from day one on all of it. That gives it a huge edge when you're dealing with complex, layered tasks. For example, you can upload a spreadsheet and ask it to summarize trends, then upload an image and have it generate social media captions to match. Huge context window. With Gemini 1.5 Pro, you get access to up to 1 million tokens. That's enough to feed it entire code bases, research papers, or even full books, and still get coherent, thoughtful responses. Powerful coding abilities. It can write, explain, debug, and translate code across multiple programming languages. Whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, or even C++, Gemini can walk you through problems like a senior developer. Seamless Google integrations. This part's huge. Gemini is baked right into the Google tools you already use. Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Search, even the keyboard on Android phones. That means you don't need to switch platforms to get AI help. It's just there when you need it. Scalability and access. From running on mobile, thanks to Nano, to enterprise-scale deployments on Google Cloud via Vertex AI, Gemini scales with your needs, whether you're a solo creator or a global business. So who's this for? Basically, everyone. But let me break it down. Students can use Gemini to summarize long articles, explain tough concepts, or even get help with coding assignments. Developers can build smart apps faster using Gemini to generate and test code or analyze multimodal datasets. Content creators and marketers can brainstorm headlines, create ad copy, or even generate visuals and scripts from a single prompt. Business owners and teams benefit from automating reports, drafting emails, creating presentations, right inside workspace tools. Researchers can process huge volumes of data and ask highly specific, multi-part questions across formats, text, visuals, or even audio. What you get is time saved, creative breakthroughs unlocked, and manual tasks automated. Gemini is ideal for developers who want smarter, more flexible AI models, businesses looking to boost productivity across teams, creators and marketers aiming to scale their content efforts, students and educators exploring new ways to learn and teach, anyone already using Google tools because it fits right in. If you're deep in the Google ecosystem, Gemini will feel like a natural upgrade. Now let's talk money. Google offers Gemini Pro for free inside Google AI Studio, though usage limits apply. If you want more power or enterprise-level integration, you can upgrade through Vertex AI, which uses a usage-based pricing model depending on the model, Pro versus Ultra, and context size. For consumers, there's Google One AI Premium, which gives you Gemini inside Gmail, Docs, and other workspace apps, similar to ChatGPT+. So, whether you're trying it out for free or going pro, There's a tier that fits your budget. Compared to tools like ChatGPT 4.0 or Claude 3 Opus, Gemini holds its own, especially with native multimodality and that massive 1 million token context. Where GPT-4 shines in API adoption and community tools, Gemini offers deeper integration with Google products and on-device performance with Nano. Claude 3 is great for long, thoughtful responses and transparency, but Gemini's edge is in multimodal flexibility and Google scale deployment. No single tool is the best, but Gemini might be the best fit if you're already using Google tools or need native multimodal workflows. That said, Gemini isn't perfect. Like all large language models, it can generate inaccurate info, so double-check critical outputs. The pricing structure can be tricky, especially across AI Studio versus Vertex AI. Some advanced features, like the 1 million token context, are still in preview or limited rollouts. And as with many AI models, there's a bit of a black box effect. You may not always know how it got to an answer, so it's powerful, but not a substitute for human judgment. Here are a few tips to get the most out of Gemini. Use multimodal prompts. Don't just type. Try uploading images, audio, or PDFs along with your questions. Be specific. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Ask detailed questions and give context. Integrate into your flow. If you're a Gmail or Docs user, enable Gemini features to boost daily productivity. Explore AI Studio. If you're a developer, Google AI Studio is your playground, from prototyping to full app builds using Gemini APIs. Try Gemini Nano. Got a Pixel phone? You might already have Gemini features built into your keyboard and assistant. So, is Gemini the future of AI? Maybe. It's flexible, fast, and everywhere, from your inbox to your IDE. And whether you're automating tasks, building apps, or just trying to understand complex data, Gemini can make your life easier. If you're curious, start with the free tier on Google AI Studio, or check if Gemini is live in your workspace apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. What would you use Gemini for? Until next time, I'm Sarah from NextAIVault. See you in the next video.